Hello everyone, my name is Claire Hayek, President and CEO of MSP Teambuilding. Welcome to episode 3 of our vlog. I will give you 5 tips on organizing, engaging, and motivating team building activities. Focus is very important. Why are you organizing this team building activity? Is it to improve collaboration? Is it to motivate your team? Is it to recognize your employees? You need to determine the focus and the goal of the team building activity first. Timing is everything. You need to organize the team building activity at a time where you're going to get maximum engagement. In this virtual world we live in, lunchtime works really well. Or you can organize it at the end of the day. For instance, if you finish work at 5, you can organize the team building activity at 4. That's 1 hour of free time engaging and having fun with our colleagues. Why wouldn't I show up, right? Make sure to rotate your social club. And what that does, it encourages people that don't usually organize these events or they're a bit shy in doing so. They'll give them a chance to step up and be part of something different, be part of the organizing committee. It also sends a really important message, a message that you trust your employees. It's all about making it fun and engaging. Choose activities that your team like. You can do a survey and ask them what they like. And keep it short and sweet. These 5 minutes are extremely important for you to observe and listen to your team and see what their needs are. People will share how wonderful the experience was and how they enjoyed collaborating with their colleagues, or they will say if maybe it was an activity that will test people's communication skills, they say, well, I had a hard time communicating and I realized that I probably need some training on that. Make it an open and safe space so people can feel that they can just express themselves and be true and authentic towards how they felt about the activity. I hope this vlog was very helpful for you and for your team. See you next time, and don't forget to visit us at mspteambuilding.ca.